I mean, this is kind of a look, isn't it? What do we think of the grey hair? Anyway, hi! I'm here with a wig review and unboxing, or opening, or reveal, testing, trying out thing. I just did a makeup tutorial. This look should be on my channel either soon or now. It's all about pink, and so I have this wig from PrincessWig. Not PrincessWigs, or PrincessWig.com. So PrincessWig.com sent me an email and they were like, hey, we have a wig, would you like to review it? So here I am reviewing a wig. I didn't get anything for it, nor do I get anything for saying anything, so I don't benefit from being dishonest, so I don't have anything to gain or lose whether I'm nice or not nice. So keep that in mind if you think this is another superficial review. I think even this bag is nice because it's a bag and it says Princess Wig, everyone is a princess with our princess wigs. Tag a photo on Instagram with hashtag PrincessWig official and you'll be featured. Designed in California, made in China. We're on the website and they are very affordable but also good quality, and I'm used to wearing wigs like, eBay wigs. I've never paid more than say £30 for a wig. It already feels heavy, so I'm expecting it to be something nice. In there you get the wig and a nice little hairnet, which I will be wearing. So in one of these lovely bags, which you can never have enough of these bags, we have the hair. So I went for a light pink kind of peachy colour. I can't remember the name of this one. I think it's called Barbie, but I will double check. I don't know what else to say, so I'm gonna just fucking look at it. It's a synthetic lace front wig, and what they say is PrincessWig is an online shop that mainly sells synthetic lace front wigs, and it aims to help every client become a stunning princess with various colour wigs. That's their main thing. They don't just sell wigs, they sell so many colours. I was picking one to choose and I knew I wanted pink hair because I don't have properly long pink hair yet, and there was 10 pinks to choose from, and I was just like, oh, do you want vibrant pink or darker pink or pink with roots or a mixture of pinks? And I was just like, whoa. Well, I ended up going for this one and I'm very happy right now. It just looks beautiful, so I'm gonna see how it is. So right out to the stuffing up, and here she is. Whoa, it is very heavy, so it definitely already feels better than most of the wigs that I own. So you can tell it's quite a long wig. I don't know exactly how long, but it's long and it's a lace front. You can see there is lace there. Now again, because I usually get cheap wigs, the lace is usually way too dark for me. But look at that, this lace is invisible. Ha! I guess I'll try it on. So I'm gonna whip out the little thingy. When I'm wearing wigs, I don't really care about it being specifically all around my head. So when I have my hair, I like to put it in a little bun, just at the lower back of my head. So it kind of, is it the small of your neck this is called? So it kind of can just tuck in there, but I don't really mind if there's a bump because I'm trying to have a cute face. So I could do with all the volume I can get. Little bun situation. Really don't want to ruin my makeup because I've got such a lot of pink lipstick on right now, and if that smudges, we'll all know about it. Here we go. Wow! I'm gonna pull it forward just a little bit because I'm convinced I have a giant forehead. Oh, isn't that pretty? Yeah, you need to play with them a little bit just to get used to them. So shiny and healthy looking. Obviously I've got these bright lights on as well, so it probably looks shinier than it is. In the mirror it doesn't look this shiny. Now I can't be fucking with a centre part, and I don't like those, so I could change the part, but for now I'm just gonna wear it on the side. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh well, I like it. You can tell it's thick and there's a ton of hair and it moves very nicely. And for an affordable price, what more would we want? Right, my forehead does look big though. I don't know if it's just the shape of the hairline, or maybe I'm wearing it too high up, because I still look like I've got a giant forehead. I think I definitely need to cut the lace off and then I can wear it properly. And look at that, there is the lace there, but that's not a hugely visible lace. I'm gonna cut it still, but it's just interesting to remember. And you can see the lace comes all the way here, so you can do it a side, growing out the side of your head thing, which I never do. I usually just have it just over to one side and then pull my real hair out and tuck it under, or just have it like this. But maybe I should try experimenting with actually gluing it down for once in my life. Yeah, now I don't like this parting because it's there and it just kind of stops like after not long, which is very wiggy, but I just feel like it could go a little bit further back. But I'm going to change the parting anyway, and I think that'll make it look much nicer. But here it is, just like straight out of the bag, which, you know, if you know what you're doing, you're not going to just wear a wig straight out of the bag. I have so many different shades of pink on right now. This thing just looks purple. My lips look red and this looks orange. But I assure you, it's all very pink. I definitely prefer this over to the side, even though there's the whole lace situation, which I just got my ear pierced at the top, and right now this really hurts. So this was a bad time to get my ear done, but beauty's pain and it's worth it. Right, so I am going to cut the lace right now, just to like see what happens. Oh, there goes the wig cap. I should probably wear some pins really, shouldn't I? Okay. Here's the lace. I'm going to cut it, and everyone says to leave about 1/4 of an inch. I probably leave more like 1/2 an inch or an inch because, like, well, it depends on the wig. Sometimes I like to cut the lace just completely off, and it doesn't. You can't really tell. It still looks like it's growing out your head, and that's only if the lace doesn't match your like skin color though. Or you can leave quite a bit of lace, and then apparently it lasts longer. But I'm not exactly doing shit with my wigs. It's not like I'm a big performer and I'm gonna wear them for years and years. Yeah, I'm gonna just cut it off, but leave like 1/2 an inch, I guess. Maybe 1/3 of an inch. If you're gonna use the whole like sideburn when it's women, when you're kind of doing the whole gluing the side of the hair, so like, you know, around your ear area, you definitely want to have some lace available there so you can like literally have something for the adhesive to adhere to. Right, so I don't know if you can see, but I have very crudely cut the lace to like that length. Now before I glue it on, I'm going to show you the inside of it. Here it is. I don't know what to say other than yes, there's a lot of hair, there's a lot of tracks, and there's this like partable bit in the middle. It's a very standard wig, but like a upper notch from like a standard Lacefront, like, you know, like a cheap one you get on like eBay or something. This is like the next one up. This is like a pretty good Lacefront. It will do for most things you want a Lacefront for. If you're a drag queen, it will especially do. Really good site, really good range of wigs. I probably will be buying more wigs from them because some of the colours they had were gorgeous and just like really inspired loads of looks. So yeah. See, and now it looks like it's growing out my head. So now that I have it where I want it, I'm going to pin it in place, and I'm going to have one like pinning it to just behind my ear, because I definitely want this bit to stay here. Hey! Okay, and then you've got this loose little flap here which just needs gluing down. Got my spirit gum. It's like shitty old cheap stuff that's shitty and old, but we'll give this a try, we'll see what happens. So actually, you know what, I'm going to see if I can change the pattern before I do that, because I can't really fuck with this pattern. I want it like above my eyebrow-ish, so I'm going to just like snatch a big chunk of, Jesus Christ. Now if you do find you can't really change the pattern and without it looking like bad, or without it automatically want to go back to the original pattern, you could just straighten it into place or use a steamer. I find steamers are really good for just like actually save a synthetic wig and a steamer. If you're in a synthetic wig, you need a steamer. I think already that looks much better than say the centre parting on me. Some people look really good with the centre parting. Look at this fringe, I feel like an emo. I'm reliving my scene days. I'm trying to just pull more hair over just so it's a kind of more realistic looking parting. That will do. And if it flops in my face anymore, I will pin it in place. And now what I want to do is say get this lace bit, which is here. Ow, shit. And just glue it there, and then it will look like it's growing out the side of my head. And then just glue it all on the side of my head. Wow, I feel like a real drag queen. Oh my god. I hear you want to make it like tacky, so like I'm gonna just do this. I don't know why I thought gluing down wigs was so hard. This is actually easy. I used to think, up until like a few minutes ago, that oh, it looks fine if I just pin it behind my ear, but oh my god, this literally looks like it's growing out my head, and it just looks so much more like real. Now I'm only gluing it down there because I don't think all of here needs to be glued down, but oh! Look at her! I probably wore these in my last video, but it's whatever. I stretched my ears so I could wear big earrings. That's literally it. Because I hated the feeling of like the tiny thin bit of metal pulling on like your earlobe, especially because I didn't have my ears pierced for that long. Ta-da! So I'm very happy with this wig. I think it's so cute and nice and cool, and I think it's actually one of the first wigs I own that does this whole situation. So let me know what you think. Are you interested in a princess wig? If you are, then you can go on the website and there is a code and you can save 10%. It is JT10 or JT10. Just enter that at checkout and you'll get 10% off. Everything, I guess. Please check them out. Please check out PrincessWig, and you know what'd be really cool is if you went there and then told them you went there because of me. And I feel like that just make me look good. But yeah, here's my wig review. If anyone's interested in a wig for starting out, say drag or cross-dressing, or you just want a wig for say cosplay or whatever, this is a good place to try. PrincessWig, good prices, good colours, good wigs. They are AVA approved, and surely that's got to be enough for you to go check them out. I think that's pretty much all for this video. So, thanks. Bye.